Ghaggar River. Introduction. Inland drainage is that drainage in which rivers do not reach an ocean or sea but empty their waters in a lake or an inland sea. Main characteristics of inland drainage. In inland drainage, streams join lakes or inland seas. They are fed by rainy water. During rains they experience flash floods. During dry season they get dried up. Ghaggar River. The Ghaggar is the most important river of inland drainage. It is a seasonal stream which rises on the lower slopes of the Himalayas and forms boundary between Haryana and Punjab. It gets lost in the dry sands of Rajasthan near Hanumangarh after traversing a distance of 465 kilometers. Earlier, this river was an affluent of the Indus. The dry bed of the old channel is still traceable. Its main tributaries are the Tangri, the Markanda, the Saraswati and the Chaitanya. It contains a lot more water in rainy season when its bed becomes 10 kilometers wide at places. Most of the streams draining western slopes of the Aravalli Range dry up immediately after they enter the sandy arid areas to the west of this range. Luni River. The Luni or the Salt River, Lonari or Lavanavari in Sanskrit, is named so because its water is brackish below Balotra. Luni is the only river basin of any significance in western Rajasthan, which form the bulk of arid zone. Luni originates from western slopes of the Aravalli Ranges at an elevation of 772 meters near Ajmer, flowing in southwest direction and traversing a course of 511 kilometers in Rajasthan. It finally flows into the Rann of Kutch. It gets lost in the marsh. Most of its tributaries drain the steep northwest of Aravalli Hills and join it on left side. Its total catchment area falls in Rajasthan. The peculiarity of this river is that it tends to increase its width rather than deepening the bed because the banks are of soils, which are easily erodible, whereas beds are of sand. The floods develop and disappear so rapidly that they have no time to scour the bed. Conclusion. Inland drainage basin in India plays an important role in the hydrology of the country. It can become a logical unit for studying the movement of water within the hydrological cycle. When water flows over the ground and along the rivers, it picks up nutrients, sediment and pollutants. These minerals get transported towards the outlet of the basin and affect the ecological processes. Thank you.